Good Thursday afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Things are looking a little wintry here across the FM area and in parts of the southern Red River Valley as some snow has moved in from the south. First alert weather day continues tonight, but we're also looking ahead to a major winter storm through this weekend. Here's what you need to know for this evening. We're going to continue to see some areas of snow, primarily south here for a little while as it tries to overcome some dry north air, but it will slowly advance in some places up to the north into the dinner time hour tonight. Grand Forks expected to see at least a few flakes out towards Carrington, Harvey, and a few places in northern Minnesota. Late tonight, then we see that snow kind of taper off, disappear by tomorrow morning, but we will be still overcast through tonight and into tomorrow, along with a little bit of breeze through the morning as well, picking up into the afternoon. An east-southeasterly breeze gusting near 30 miles per hour at times where you see these greenish yellow shaded arrows. That's where the winds will be gustiest. And then we'll start to see that significant winter storm arrive late out west. Here's by 8-9 o'clock, starting to see that snow out west, slowly moving into our neck of the woods for Saturday and into Sunday. But for tonight and into early tomorrow morning when that snow tapers off, here's how much snow we can expect. Not much at all through northwestern Minnesota or the far northern valley. Still on track for an inch or two here in Fargo. Same thing with places like Devil's Lake and parts of the James River Valley. But notice still that narrow band of around 4 to 6 inches possible where it's been snowing more throughout the day and we've had some heavier bands. Same thing down in South Dakota, some higher amounts possible. For this weekend, heavy snow for all is anticipated, at least for many. There's a high risk of at least 8 inches of snow for many for this weekend. 6 to 12 inches is possible in some areas. All of us likely to be dealing with some blowing and drifting snow with some strong gusty winds both Saturday and Sunday. There are, however, still some track uncertainties, but here's what it looks like right now. So here's Friday night, that snow out west starting to move in to southeastern North Dakota. By Saturday morning, widespread snow. Notice the dark blues. That's where snow will be heaviest through the morning and wind is going to be strong out of the east-southeast through Saturday morning. Could be gusting upwards of 50 miles per hour, leading to some dangerous, if not impossible, travel in places due to whiteout conditions, near blizzard potential as well, along with the obvious snow-covered roads. We see that track of the snow slide from the west to the east through the day on Saturday. Then by Saturday night, south, a brief break in the snowfall, winds tapering off a little bit, but then we see wraparound snow into Sunday morning. So additional snow Sunday morning, and the wind picks right back up, this time out of the north and northwest, gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour. So blowing and drifting again on Sunday. Where you see the purple here, this is where we're highlighting the greatest risk. Around 80% of 8 inches or more of accumulation. Not everywhere within this area is going to see 8 inches of snow or more. That's just where the risk area is highest. Dark blue encompassing the majority of our region, around a 50% risk for at least 8 inches of snow. Many at least 4 inches is likely. Here's what we're seeing for tonight. Some light snow continuing. Visibility remains low in the southern valley from falling snow. Only a half a mile right now in Jamestown. We're at 35 degrees right now here in Fargo. So as that snow is coming down, it's melting a bit. 33 in Bemidji, 36 Baudette, only 18 in Langdon at this time. For tomorrow in Fargo, I expect a mostly quiet day. Temperatures generally in the 20s, and then snow moves in late and into Saturday. Here's what it looks like in your planning forecast. Be ready to snowblow, shovel, and hang on this weekend with some wind and some very tricky conditions. Another shot of some wintry mix in the middle of next week, but then things are looking quieter.
Yeah, break out the shovels and everything, the boots, everything to just prepare for this weather. Summer, thank you so much.